What's up everyone, welcome to another video. Zach back again, and I know it's been a while, been about a month, but some exciting news. My son was born, and born healthy, happy, somewhat happy. You know, he's hungry all the time, so never truly all the way there. But change of scenery today. Got a lot of his stuff in my filming room, so I'm in his room, which we're still trying to put the final touches on, but I might feature him in a video coming up. But just wanted to get this video out there. I want to get back in the swing of things because I've got some time off. My job, FedEx, as I mentioned before, they came through in a big way. Fathers get 2 weeks paid off whenever they have a child born, so I'm enjoying that while I can. They're taking a nap, so I figured I'd break away and take care of this and get back into it. So this first video back is going to be talking about Monday. Now, if you're on the Robinhood platform like I am, which, shameless plug, if you're not on Robinhood, use the link below, get some free stocks when you sign up, was down all Monday and parts of Tuesday. Now, why is this a big deal? Well, because it just happened to be because the market saw the biggest single day increase in history. Over $1 trillion in the market was gained that day, which is wonderful considering the 10% drop that we've had thanks to the coronavirus, which I personally have been reaping the benefits of. I've been telling people to invest more now, but people are squeamish, which is, I guess, partly why the market drops so horribly. But I, for one, have been enjoying it. But the app being down, all their investors, every investor who doesn't use another platform as well, missed out on the record gains. And right as of December, looking at 10 million people, I believe it is. Now it's going to be more now because we've had a few months go by, but 10 million people who don't use another app out of that 10 million people lost out on all these gains. I was not one of them. Before the market started going down, I sold a lot of my positions because I just figured the market would react this way. And I'm slowly putting money back in to get a little bit of growth. Now, normally I wouldn't time the market like this, but the signs were there. And also going into that, the Fed cut the interest rate by 0.5 percentage point, which rough. It's rough. It's rough for investors, which is kind of going to make them even more squeamish. But it made the market jump up a little bit on the end of the day Tuesday, but I believe as of right now it's back down, heading back down again. So it helped and it didn't, but basically made the money management part of Robinhood a little useless. But anyway, so platform was down, got 10 million plus people missing out. Now, what this is really going to do for Robinhood is going to make people start looking the other way. Now, there were a couple of apps, well, I guess platforms, you should say. I believe Vanguard was down for a few minutes just due to the excessive amount of trading volume, but they were back up pretty quickly, which could be expected from them. Seeing how long they've been around and their infrastructure they have in place, they should be able to handle it. But Robinhood, on the other hand, has already had a long history of their app not functioning properly. So this doesn't really surprise me, but it is unfortunate that it happened because a lot of people were affected. I mean, you go on Reddit, look at Wall Street Bets, so many people missed out on their options and thus missing out on more money or losing money because of this. But that's the risk you take, I guess. I saw a lot of people trying to reach out on Robinhood's Facebook or Instagram account. Whenever I looked, none of their posts were being responded to, just saying, except for the occasional, we'll be back up as soon as we can. But that's whatever, I guess. But anyway, so the main thing that Robinhood's got to take care of is getting damage control out of the way. They've announced on their Instagram that they've got a lot of new features coming out soon. We know how Robinhood is about that. But of course, none of the posts that they've actually made has mentioned drip investing, which, you know, I'm a big advocate of. But it's just going to be a wait and see thing. It's unfortunate. It's very unfortunate that this happened, especially to them whenever they're trying to hold on to the grasp of customers that they have, especially when you got Charles Schwab and all the other investment brokerages out there trying to pull ahead. This is going to hurt them. if, like I said before, if M1 had a just open trading window, I'd be with them right now, but you gotta do what you can. But yeah, so that's where I'm gonna end the video here. This is kind of sloppy and random. I don't even know if I really want to use it, but we'll see. Let me know if you were affected by the Robinhood outage. I was a little bit, not too much though, because I've got all the other apps that have accounts on that I can just jump in and out of as I please. But as I said, I'm gonna slowly move my money back in, because I don't think we've personally, maybe we've seen the worst, because our lowest drop was lower than the 2008 financial crisis. So we might be out of the woods as far as drops, but I just hope it drops lower and lower personally. Maybe I'm greedy, but I want to make more money. So let me know below if you were affected. Let me know by how much, because I'm curious to see the numbers. And I'm going to be back in the swing of things, get some more content out for y'all, and hope you enjoy. We'll see you in the next one.